Hello friends, come along with me. Let's draw Bobby BearHug from Playtime Company. Let's begin by drawing Bobby BearHug's nose and eyes. Next, the shape of her big mouth. And her tongue. Let's add color to her eyes, nose, and inner mouth with black. Let's draw the shape of her face. Her eyebrow. The shape of her rounded ears. I'm drawing her heart-shaped pendant. Next, her arms and hands. Bobby BearHug, the cuddly and lovable character from Playtime Company who's always ready to give the biggest bear hugs. Let's draw her legs and feet. Lastly, her cute tail. I'm excited! Together, let's add color to Bobby BearHug. Her tongue is light red. Bobby BearHug is a bear with red fur. Bobby BearHug is a kind and considerate person. She acts as a peacemaker and has a great concern for her friends and everyone around her. Her upper snout, inner ears, and hands are pink. Her body and tail are color red as well. Bobby's hugs aren't just any hugs. They're special bear hugs that warm your heart and make you feel loved. Whether you're feeling sad, scared, or just in need of a pick-me-up, a hug from Bobby is sure to chase away the blues and leave you smiling from ear to ear. Her feet and tummy are pink. Bobby isn't just friends with other bears, she's friends with everyone. From tiny squirrels to majestic deer and everything in between, she treats every creature she meets with kindness and respect. While her heart-shaped pendant is dark shade of red. And there you have it. I hope you have fun today. Thanks for watching.